हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू असा एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 34 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और चैप्टर 3 है क्लॉजेस। यहाँ पर आपको हर एक सेंटेंस को रिप्लेस करना है। नाउन क्लॉज जो है उसको दिया हुआ है, उसको रिप्लेस करना है नाउन से या फिर नाउन फ्रेज से। पहला है आई होप दैट आई शैल बी देयर इन टाइम। दैट आई शैल बी देयर इन टाइम को लिख सकते हैं टू बी there in time. He is sure that we will win the match. That we will win the match को लिख सकते हैं of our winning the match. I remarked that it was a fine day. That it was a fine day को लिख सकते हैं upon the fine day. They do not know where he is concealed. Where he is concealed, the place of his concealment. The police must know where he is living. Where he is living, his address. I believe that the man is sincere. That the man is sincere. The man to be sincere. Tell me what you think about this. What you think about this. Your opinion of this. The doctor is hopeful that she will soon recover. That she will soon recover of her recovery. It is to be regretted that he retired from the world so early in life. It is to be regretted that he retired from the world so early in life. His retirement from the world so early in life is to be regretted. I do not believe what he says. I do not believe what he says, his words. He showed how the problem was done. He showed the method of doing the problem. It seems that he is a sharper. It seems, or you can say, he seems to be a sharper. He does not know where I live. Where I live. He does not know my address. Tell me why you did this. Tell me the reason for doing this. It is not known who has written this book. Who has written this book? The author of this book is not known. The law will punish whosoever is guilty. The law will punish the guilty. तो यहां सॉल्व होती है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 34। सब्सक्राइब करिए असा एजुकेशन और मिलेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 35 में।